This is the world's smallest deer. In the African savannas and woodlands, a tiny gem hides. The dik-dik, one of the smallest antelopes on Earth, with their modest size, large eyes, and distinctive snouts, dik-diks are adapted for life in the arid wilderness. These endearing herbivores are known for their monogamous and territorial nature. Dik-diks may be small, but their presence is grand in their habitat. As they delicately pick their way through the landscape, their charm is undeniable. Follow for more animals. In